Hi guys, welcome to another episode of New Era Bonds. So today we are with Deepika. So today we'll be talking about the topic importance of yoga in your life. So first about Deepika, she is not a like certified practitioner, but she has been practicing yoga for last 10 years and it has helped her in many ways. So we just thought of like making a podcast with her so that she can share her experiences with you on the day of International Yoga Day. So stay connected.
Sure. Hi, I'm Deepika. I'm a software engineer by profession from last 15 years, and I have a son of 12 years old. And I love yoga from my heart because I'm practicing from last almost 10 years. But I love yoga from my childhood, and from that time I started this yoga journey, but not regular basis. But I started regular basis from last year.
As you told, you are a software professional, plus you are a mother of a teenager also. उसकी भी studies होती हैं, everything. Plus household के works भी होते हैं.
Exactly.
So how you manage your like work life and personal life? इसमें योगा ने आपको कहीं ना कहीं benefit किया है क्या?
Definitely. So actually I learn it from yoga, that how I can manage my personal life and my professional life. So there's a few posture like tree pose and few other balancing yoga pose. So if you practice daily, so your chakra, all the chakra will be balanced, and that's how you will be able to manage your personal life, professional life. You can do better time management, you can do better decision making, and think positive. That is also another perspective. So these all are the benefits. So everybody knows the benefit of yoga health wise, but we didn't discuss about other benefit like proper decision making or better decision making, better time management.
You shared you do a lot of other activities also, like you like hiking, you go to mountain, and you like playing badminton. So how you get energy to do other things? एक नॉर्मल पर्सन के लिए योगा या कुछ वॉक करना ही एक बहुत बड़ा एपिसोड हो जाता है. उसके बाद बाकी एक्टिविटीज लाइक आप बैडमिंटन भी खेलने जाते हो, उसके लिए आप कैसे अपनी एनर्जी और टाइम दोनों कैसे मैनेज करते हो?
So good, yes, good question. That time manage. So actually I didn't manage time, I learned it from yoga. So if you do yoga regular basis, so your all the body part will be always energized. And because क्योंकि बहुत सारे ब्लड सर्कुलेशन होते हैं ना बॉडी में, तो आपका जो नर्व ऑलवेज एक्टिव रहता है, आपका बॉडी में बहुत सारे ब्लड सर्कुलेशन होता है, इसलिए हम लोग बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाता है. वी बिकम सो मच एनर्जाइज्ड, एक्टिव, and that's why we can able to balance our personal life and professional life. So better I can say, I didn't do any time management, I learn it from yoga, I do yoga, that's why I can do time management.
That's great. Next question I want to ask is about the most problematic, most occurring problem these days, that is PCOD issues. So you think yoga can really help in PCOD issues?
Too much, I got benefited. So my journey started from that PCOD. So I got PCOD, and I had an operation, and again after 3 years I got another operation for PCOD, and it was too much painful. And then third time when my PCOD started, and it was small, so doctor prescribed medicine and also prescribed that you have to yoga regular basis, otherwise you will again infect it, it will come again and again. And from that time I started yoga regular basis. I love yoga from my childhood, but that was not regular. But from to cure my PCOD, I do it every day. And from that day, last 10 years, I never got PCOD back. So it's totally away from my life.
Can you tell us some of the asanas for that?
Yes, actually we have lots of asanas. So Bhujangasan, Salvasan, Chakrasan, Paschimotthasana, few other pranayam and yoga, if you don't have stress, then that is also help in PCOD, because PCOD not only is a hormonal problem, it's also come from stress as well. So tree pose, few meditation, 5 minutes meditation, and pranayam, those are also benefited to mindful and stress free. So when I do yoga, so last 20 minutes I do pranayam.
And when we were discussing all about this, she also told me that she has managed her thyroid issues also using some of the yoga
Yes.
asanas. So can you, Deepika, can you share about those
Yes,
things?
actually, my father and mother, they have thyroid, so that's why by heredity I got thyroid recently, but that is a border level, and I started gaining weight, and then I check, and then I came to know that I got thyroid border level, and immediately I started practicing few yoga which is related to the thyroid, and then I control my thyroid, and I'm doing those yoga pose regular basis so that I can be control. So suppose if you got some disease by heredity or any other reason, you could control, you could prevent and control as well, both the things.
ओके सो एक क्वेश्चन मेरे जैसे लोगों के लिए हमेशा रहता है कि वी हैवंट स्टार्टेड योगा येट, अभी तक हमने कभी योगा ट्राई नहीं किया, तो वी आर स्केर्ड इट बिट ऑफ योगा कि इतने बड़े बड़े नाम होते हैं, डिफिकल्ट नाम होते हैं, तो व्हाट यू वांट टू लाइक गिव अ मैसेज टू बिगिनर्स, हाउ टू बिगिन?
सो एक्चुअली क्या होता है, सब लोग कुछ एडवांस योगा पोज ये सब देख के डर जाता है, but my message will be, don't be scared, just start with easy yoga pose which is for beginner, and those are also very benefited. You don't think that benefit come from only the advanced yoga, not from the beginner, no, not like that. So there's a few easy pose, those are those have so much lots of advantage than the advanced level yoga. So ऐसा नहीं कि इजी में बेनिफिट कम होता है, एडवांस योगा में बेनिफिट ज़्यादा होता है, नो, नॉट लाइक दैट. सो start doing yoga from 10 minutes. So 10 minutes we can afford in the morning or evening. Morning definitely will be better option, but I will say बीमारी आने के पहले start कर दो. So
yoga energizes you, yoga makes you positive, yoga keeps you active whole day, but what makes you to do same yoga every day? You don't feel bored like for so
I
many
don't.
years?
Yes, definitely. If I do semi yoga, I will be get bored. I never do semi yoga. So I have previously I had my teacher, my yoga guru, Shiv Shankar Boxi. I take training 5 years from him. So मैं टीचर एक महीना बाद सब चेंज कर देता है. And when I do personally yoga, I mean खुद से जब मैं करती हूँ, टीचर के साथ नहीं, so I focus on the body part. Sometimes I focus on the particular disease. Sometimes I focus on the level. So सपोज मैं जब स्टार्ट किया था तब सपोज मैं लेवल 1 पे था और इजी बिगिनर लेवल. सो बिगिनर लेवल योगा, देन इंटरमीडिएटरी, एडवांस, सो लेवल चेंज होता है. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट आई एम डूइंग सेम योगा पोज रेगुलर बेसिस. सो एंड सपोज मैं मंडे में आई डू योगा which is for my tummy, and suppose Wednesday I'm doing yoga which is for my hand, biceps, triceps, and suppose Friday I'm doing for my lower body part. क्योंकि you already told that I do some other activity, sometime cricket, sometime badminton, swimming. So sports में leg का part बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, leg का importance. So that's why I have to flexible my lower body part, my legs. So that's why I provided importance, and I do specific for lower part. So that is the category body part wise, and level wise also. So that's why, because I suppose whatever the yoga today I am doing, so maybe that will be repeated 2 weeks after, like that.
So just like anything else we do in life, we have to make timetable, we have to make a schedule for your exercises also.
Yes.
So that at this point of age, your all body parts can be benefited by using that
Exactly.
exercise. You need to say that.
Yes. So suppose today I am doing some yoga for thyroid, so tomorrow for suppose kidney. that day, another day for suppose back pain. If we everyone do regular basis yoga, so लोगों को देखने का नजरिया, लोगों को जांच करने का नजरिया भी चेंज हो जाता है. So we suppose previously whatever we think negative, now we slowly we will start thinking positive way. Or so everyone have problem in their life, so everyone has different problem, but वो problem का solution देना वो चेंज हो जाएगा. वो जो डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर, वो जो प्रॉब्लम को देखना, प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने का वो जो मेथड तरीका वो चेंज हो जाएगा जब व्हेन वी विल डू रेगुलर बेसिस योगा. That not means I'm not saying that someone does not have ability and got ability. I want to say that we will get polished. So whatever the capability you have or I have, that will be get polished.
Thank you for sharing your opinion or on how yoga can help in us in our lives. So again, I would say that we are not any certified practitioners. So if you have any particular problem with any disease or any like solution of that disease, please go to certified doctors or practitioners who can suggest you better. This podcast is all about our opinion, what we think and how we manage ourselves. And this is a platform where we share views of common people, what they think about common problems or some what they do in difficult situations. So maybe you can relate with them and get some out of it. So if you want any particular topic to be discussed in this podcast, please do go to the comment section, put your comments, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe us, like us.